Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear students, this session focuses on using a syllabus in a LTM course. Well, my dear students, I hope and expect by the end of this session you would be able to understand how a syllabus can be used in a course that is for, language teaching methods. Two basic types of syllabus depending upon the nature and purposes of syllabuses can be talked about. Mainly there are product-oriented syllabus designs and there are process-oriented syllabus designs. When it comes to the product-oriented syllabuses, the focus is on the knowledge and skills which learners should gain as a result of the instruction. So the very name or the very title product itself tells that it focuses on the end product. On the contrary, process-oriented syllabuses focus on the learning experiences themselves. Process-oriented, as the name indicates, is more focused on the process of learning than the outcome or the product. Well, the syllabus is a foundational document and it is a very, very critical piece of communication between the instructor and the students that warrants thoughtful design. It not only provides a design to the learners of how they would go through the whole course, what would be their roadmap, but also it gives clarity to the teacher regarding his or her decisions, how he or she would carry the learners through this, track. As the syllabus is often the first form of interaction that instructors have with their students, it plays a significant role in engaging students and motivating learning. A worldwide practice is that the university teachers, they would give their syllabus on the university websites and the learners would have a look at the syllabus and actually they would decide whether they want to take that course or not, depending upon the contents or the ways or the materials that are used in that syllabus to teach that particular course. So this is the first source of interaction, and even in a traditional classroom it is expected that the teacher would come to the class on the first day and would hand over or would share this document with the students. So this is the first connecting point. Research indicates that more engaging, visually stimulating, student-centered syllabi have a positive impact on the student's perception of a course and motivation to engage with the instructor as compared to the courses that are more teacher-centered or that are, I would say, more, with the orientation of how the teacher would perform in the class. Institutional practices also vary when it comes to the syllabus design and using a syllabus for a course. So, I would just give you a few examples. For example, Yale University does not provide any official template for syllabus development, but numerous examples are available. There is not one particular format or a template according to which all the instructors are supposed to make or create the syllabus. A variety of templates is available and the choices can be made with freedom. The Handbook of Instructors for undergraduates in Yale College refer to two functions of a syllabus: to inform students about the scope, procedures, bibliography, and examination or paper requirements of a course. And secondly, according to this handout, to convey the instructor's expectations about academic integrity. So, this is the kind of the first connection between the teacher and the learner, where the teacher can convey what is it that he or she expects from the learners. It also shares with them what is going to be the scope of the course, what are the kind of contents that are going to be a part of the course, and what are going to be the procedures that would be involved. And something very important for the students is their examinations. It also provides some information about that. Well, a well-crafted language teaching methods syllabus conveys certain things. The instructor is willing to support students' efforts to master the materials. This is what a well-structured, well-crafted LTM syllabus would promise. Secondly, it takes the intellectual struggles of students very, very seriously. Thirdly, while expecting that students should try to live up to the instructor's expectations, it helps them look at the whole syllabus, the ways the materials are going to be used to enable the students to be ready to meet the kind of expectations that the teacher would have. It also enables the learners to see the course through. By looking at the syllabus, they exactly know what is it that they're going to learn in this course. And, finally, it helps them engage with the materials, because it provides the details of the kinds of materials that would be used in that particular course. And syllabus also provides the ways in which these materials would be used.